The sun is more than just a bright spot in the sky. It's a colossal nuclear fusion reactor, sending us more energy in an hour than humanity uses in a year. Imagine if we could harness just a sliver of that power. That's what solar panels do. They capture sunlight and turn it into clean, renewable electricity. You've seen them, sleek rectangles on rooftops or fields. Each panel is made up of smaller units called solar cells, or photovoltaic cells, devices that turn light directly into electricity. These cells are tough, built to withstand the elements, and are the heart of every solar panel. Why does this matter? Because our old ways, burning fossil fuels, pollute the planet and aren't sustainable. Solar energy is different. It's clean, produces no greenhouse gases, and helps protect our future. By tapping into the sun, we can power homes, schools, and businesses without harming the Earth. It's a brilliant solution, powered by a brilliant star. The possibilities are endless. Solar panels are our ticket to a cleaner, brighter future. Let's see how they work. Let's zoom in on a solar cell's secret, silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, perfect for controlling electricity. Scientists dope silicon with other elements, creating two layers, N-type with extra electrons, and P-type with extra holes where electrons could be. Stack these layers together, and you get a PN junction, the real magic. At this boundary, electrons from the N-type fill holes in the P-type, creating a thin barrier and an electric field. This field acts like a one-way street for electrons. The PN junction is the heart of the solar cell, setting the stage for electricity generation. It's a tiny built-in slide for electrons, ready to move when sunlight hits. This clever design is what makes solar panels possible. Without silicon's unique properties, solar power wouldn't exist. It's a simple material with world-changing potential. Next, let's see what happens when sunlight strikes. The real action is about to begin. Get ready for the photovoltaic effect. Here's where sunlight becomes electricity. Sunlight is made of photons, tiny packets of energy. When photons hit the silicon cell, they knock electrons loose. The electric field at the PN junction pushes these freed electrons toward the N-type side, while holes move to the P-type side. Metal contacts and wires create a path for electrons to flow. A circuit. Connect a device, and electrons power it as they travel through the circuit. This flow of electrons is electric current. Electricity, made directly from sunlight. It's not magic, it's physics in action. Every solar cell on Earth is quietly turning sunlight into power every day. That's the photovoltaic effect. Now let's see how all these cells work together. A single solar cell can't power much, but link many together in a panel, and panels into arrays, and you can power homes and cities. Solar panels produce direct current, DC, but our homes use alternating current, AC. An inverter converts DC to AC, making solar energy usable for everything in your house. Extra energy can be stored in batteries or sent back to the grid. Solar panels don't work at night, so battery storage is key for round-the-clock power. Technology is improving fast. New materials like perovskites promise even better efficiency. Solar is getting cheaper and more powerful every year. By choosing solar, we become energy producers, not just consumers. We're using the sun, 93 million miles away, to power our lives. Solar energy is a smart, sustainable choice for a cleaner planet. The future is bright, and it's powered by the sun. Let's make it happen.